One brand has consistently set the standard for innovation, luxury, and customer care. Reaching far beyond the expected is what makes a Mercedes-Benz like no other. Exceeding expectations is also what sets a certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz vehicle apart from all the rest. Only the finest can earn the seal that reflects one of the most demanding certifications in the industry. A certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz is chosen from among the best. It must meet strict eligibility requirements for mileage, age, and condition. It has to have a clean, documented history. Each vehicle is extensively inspected, scrutinized, and tested at 155 checkpoints or more by Mercedes-Benz factory-trained technicians. The comprehensive evaluation extends from its powertrain to its power seats, and from the glow of the paintwork to making sure every switch lights up exactly the way it should. Every certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz is thoroughly reconditioned to make sure it looks and performs to the standards of Mercedes-Benz. It's cleaned and detailed outside, inside, and under the hood. It's retuned, replenished, and thoroughly refreshed. And of course, all maintenance performed uses genuine Mercedes-Benz parts. You might not be the car's first owner, but it's still delivered with the first-class Mercedes-Benz experience, just like a new car. And you can be confident that Mercedes-Benz leads the industry in standing behind its certified pre-owned vehicles. And remember, if a Mercedes-Benz is not certified pre-owned, none of this impeccable quality, painstaking care, and unbelievable warranties can be guaranteed. It's absolute confidence in genuine Mercedes-Benz parts, or it isn't. It's inspected and road-tested by Mercedes-Benz factory-trained technicians, or it isn't. It's either backed by an unlimited mileage warranty for up to 5 years, or it isn't. There are those who settle for nothing less. For them, the choice is simple. It's either Mercedes-Benz certified pre-owned, or it isn't.